It's there. It's not a wallet, it's Google Wallet. And there is an interesting story, guys, because the Google Wallet application has been around since quite some time. At some point, even Google decided to replace the Google Wallet with Google Pay app, and this is pretty much what we know, all of your cards inside. And now Google are deciding to replace the Google Pay app again with, you guessed it correctly, with the Google Wallet. But what is the difference, guys? If you want to find out, you're more than welcome to watch the full video. And of course, if you are tech savvy like me, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. Keep your payment cards, which is actually what Google Pay was about. And of course, then your loyalty cards, concert tickets and more. And this is the so-called wallet part. Of course, eventually everything comes down to one application. So you can just see how many things you can get inside. Of course, all your cards. And guys, I am going to demonstrate this on both my Pixel 6 phone and also on my S22 Ultra, because we need to address the fact that now those phones looks like pixels. Android 13 design, right? But going back to the description, so your payment cards are there. You can get, of course, also updates from your tickets, boarding time and etc., departure time, and never lose a loyalty card again. So plenty of things that you can do with this new Google Wallet, and I'm going to show you guys. Now, this here is my Pixel 6. The pay button now has been replaced by a wallet button. So once you click it, guys, you're going to get access to your cards. Very easy, very straightforward. This is also what we used to have before, right? Now, guys, if you click show all, then you get this nice button called add to wallet. And when you click inside, guys, you're able to add your payment card, your transit pass, your loyalty card, and also the gift cards. And of course, you have here this very nice Android 13 button. So see here, guys. And if you're not familiar with my channel, you know that I've been covering Android 13 very, very thoroughly since the very first developer preview one. Now, guys, pay attention here, my S22 Ultra phone. And what do we see, guys? We just see the very same, very uniform design. So hello, Pixel 6 and S22 Ultra running Google Wallet app that looks pretty much like the same on my Pixel. I'm gonna hit the add to wallet here and add to wallet there. And guys, this is really the magic of the Android 13. Now this phone though still runs on Android 12 One UI 4.1, but you have the very same options to add a payment card, transit pass, loyalty, and of course also gift cards. And if you want to learn how to get the add to wallet button, then you can click here and of course also get access to this information, because the wallet is able to scrub your emails and obtain information on your loyalty cards, on your tickets, and suggest them for you to be added inside the Google Wallet. Now, if you are willing to install it, guys, it's called like this, Wallet. Pay attention, if you have the Google Pay app and you go to your Play Store, eventually gonna get an update, and then you're gonna end up with the Google Wallet application. So besides your payment cards now, you have the option to also add transit information, load the gift cards, tickets, COVID vaccines, you name it, they have it. And if you are like me, tech savvy, you might want to subscribe for this channel. Hit the bell icon there, guys. I really hope that you have enjoyed this short but informative video. Stay safe, you and your families, until we meet one more time. VST over and bye.